Hey YouTubers, Hike with Mike here of course, and today's Swamp Talk is just thinking about my favorite sounds in my neck of the woods that I love to hear when I'm out in the woods. Natural sounds, that is. You can probably hear some airboats in the distance, which I don't know, it doesn't bother me that much really, to be honest with you. But I'm talking about natural sounds, the sounds of the crickets, the frogs, the tree frogs, the kingfisher, the comedic kingfisher, who I've yet to get on camera because they're so hyperactive. I love the little call of the kingfisher, the belted kingfisher. I love the sounds of the coyotes, particularly in the wintertime when they really howl. I love the sound of the whippoorwills that come down and visit this time of year, and all night long you can hear their mournful, almost melancholy sound. That's awesome. I love the hoot owls. That's the screech owl. I love that sound. The barred owl, another great sound. There's so many cool sounds in the woods, natural sounds that are just amazing. It's the best music in the world for me. I've had a couple times where in April, May, when the alligators are, the bull alligators are all fired up and you can hear them bellow. It sounds like a dinosaur. That's really cool too. Numerous bird calls. The crazy call of the pileated woodpecker, that's another fun sound to hear. There's so many cool sounds, and that's only the animal sounds. Then there's the music of the wind in the woods and the rustling of the leaves, and it's just like being in the symphony when you're out in the woods. And I love those sounds and being alert for all the sounds. It really is cool. Great music. Best music in the world.